Next question, when the cost incurred on recruiting, training and developing the employees is considered for determining the value of employees, it is called the replacement cost approach, the historical cost approach, the opportunity cost approach या none of the above. तो आंसर है the historical cost approach. Next question, the opportunity cost approach in human resource accounting was introduced by Heckman and Jones, Rensis Likert, Eric G. Flamoltz और William C. Pyle. तो Heckman and Jones. Next question है, the aggregate payment approach in human resource accounting was developed by Myers and Flowers, Hermanson, S.K. Chakrabarty, none of the above. तो आंसर है S.K. Chakrabarty. Next question, the value of human resource is a function of the average salary of the employees and their average employment tenure in the organization. This is the essence of the aggregate payment model, 5-dimensional model, causal, intervening and end result model, unpurchased goodwill model. तो आंसर है aggregate payment model. Next question, fixing the value of an employee depending upon his productivity, promotability, transferability and retainability is the core of equivalent certainty equivalent model, stochastic reward valuation model, human asset multiplier model, present value of future earnings model. तो आंसर है stochastic reward valuation model. Next question, a bank reconciliation statement is a part of passbook, a statement prepared by bank, cash book relating to cash column या statement prepared by customer. तो ये आंसर है statement prepared by customer. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आ जाएंगे, ओवरड्राफ्ट एज पर कैश बुक मीन्स क्रेडिट बैलेंस इन द कैश बुक, क्रेडिट बैलेंसेज इन द बैंक कॉलम ऑफ द कैश बुक, डिक्रीज इन लायबिलिटी, नन ऑफ द अबव. तो सेकंड वाला सही है, क्रेडिट बैलेंसेज इन द बैंक कॉलम ऑफ द कैश बुक. बैंक बैलेंस शोन इन ट्रायल बैलेंस, बैलेंस एज पर पासबुक, बैलेंस एज पर कैश बुक, बैलेंस एज पर परचेज बुक, बोथ 1 and 2. तो यहाँ पे आंसर आ जाएगा बैलेंस एज पर कैश बुक. Unfavorable bank balance means credit balance in cash book, credit balance in passbook, debit balance in cash book, favorable balance in cash book. तो आंसर है credit balance in cash book. When favorable balance as per cash book is the starting point, wrong debit by the bank to the firm will be added, subtracted, both 1 and 2, none of the above. तो आंसर है subtracted. Next question है, balance shown by cash book checks issued but not presented for payment. तो ये है 10,000. अच्छा, ये एक साथ ही पढ़ लिया मैंने. बैलेंस शोन बाय कैश 10,000, बुक चेक्स इशूड बट नॉट प्रेजेंटेड फॉर पेमेंट 4,000, चेक डिपॉजिटेड बट नॉट येट कलेक्टेड 3,000, बैलेंस एज पर पासबुक विल बी 9,000, 10,000, 11,000, नन ऑफ द अबव. तो आंसर है 11,000. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हेन मनी इज विदड्रॉन फ्रॉम बैंक, द बैंक क्रेडिट कस्टमर अकाउंट, डेबिट्स कस्टमर अकाउंट, क्रेडिट एंड डेबिट कस्टमर्स, none of the above. तो आंसर है डेबिट कस्टमर्स अकाउंट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, a bank reconciliation statement if prepared to know the causes for the difference between the balance as per cash column of cash